Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is neural control and coordination. Question number 1. Nissi's granules are absent in Option A. Cyton. Option B. Dendrite. Option C. Pericardio. Option D. Axon. The correct answer is Option D. Axon. Nissel's grains are mainly present in cyton and dendrite. These granules are rough endoplasmic reticulum with rosettes of free ribosome, the site for protein synthesis. It is absent in axon. Question number 2. In the prosencephalon, first and second ventricles open into third ventricle by Option A. Foramen of Monro. Option B. Foramen of Magnidii. Option C. Foramen of Magunum. Option D. Foramen of Avali. The correct answer is Option A. Foramen of Monro. In prosencephalon, the first and second ventricles open into third ventricles by foramen of Monro. It is the opening that connects the left and right sides of lateral ventricle in brain. Question number 3. The property which doesn't belong to nerve fibers is Option A. Conductivity and excitability. Option B. Only elasticity. Option C. Both elasticity and contractility. Option D. Only contractility. The correct answer is Option C. Both elasticity and contractility. Nerve fibers are specialized to transmit impulses from one part of the body to other. Nerve fibers do not show the property of elasticity and contractility. Question number 4. Hypothalamus helps to maintain homeostasis by controlling hunger, thirst, blood pressure, temperature feelings, etc. So it is an important link between Option A. Nervous system and respiratory system. Option B. Nervous system and endocrine system. Option C. Nervous system and digestive system. Option D. Nervous system and circulatory system. The correct answer is Option B. Nervous system and endocrine system. One of the most important functions of the hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to the endocrine system via the pituitary gland, hypophysis. The hypothalamus is located below the thalamus and is part of the limbic system. Question number 5. Brainstem is the support system of brain and is the collective name for Option A. Medulla, pons, midbrain and diencephalon. Option B. Cerebrum, mesencephalon, diencephalon and medulla. Option C. Prosencephalon, mesencephalon, pons and medulla. Option D. Hypothalamus, diencephalon, cerebellum and pons. The correct answer is Option A. Medulla, pons, midbrain and diencephalon. The brainstem, or brainstem, is the posterior part of the brain, adjoining and structurally continuous with the spinal cord. In the human brain, the brainstem includes the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. Sometimes the diencephalon, the caudal part of the forebrain, is included. Question number 6. Due to refractory period, a nerve fiber in human body on an average transmits about Option A. Only 1000 impulses per second. Option B. Only 100 impulses per second. Option C. Only 6000 impulses per second. Option D. Only 10,000 impulses per second. The correct answer is Option A. Only 1000 impulses per second. Refractory period is the time taken to nerve become ready to conduct other impulse. Due to this refractory period, a nerve fiber in human body on an average transmits about 1000 impulses per second. Question number 7. I is made up of the pia mater. 2. Is greatly convoluted and called the cerebral cortex. Option A. Statement I is wrong and 2 is correct. Option B. Both are correct. Option C. Both are wrong. Option D. Statement I is correct and 2 is wrong. The correct answer is Option A. Statement I is wrong and 2 is correct. The layer of cells which covers the cerebral hemisphere is called cerebral cortex and is thrown into prominent folds. Question number 8. The autonomic nervous system or ANS is truly autonomic, i.e. independent of the CNS. 2. Is also known as the VNS. 3. Transmit impulse from CNS to involuntary organs and smooth muscles. Option A. Only I and 3 are correct. Option B. Only 2 and 3 are correct. Option C. All are correct. Option D. Only 3 is correct. The correct answer is Option B. Only 2 and 3 are correct. The autonomic nervous system or ANS is the division of peripheral nervous system that influences the function of internal organs. ANS is also known as VNS. These nerves transmit impulse from CNS to involuntary organs and smooth muscles. Question number 9. Label the arrows in the given diagram of the brain from top to bottom. Option A. Cerebellum, pons, medulla. Option B. Temporal lobe, cerebellum, medulla. Option C. Cerebrum, pons, medulla. Option D. Occipital lobe, pons, medulla. The correct answer is Option A. Cerebellum, pons, medulla. The part of the human brain shown above has marked as cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata of the hindbrain. Question number 10. The band of nerve fibers that joins the two cerebral hemisphere in mammals is Option A. Corpora bigemina. Option B. Crura cerebri. Option C. Corpus callosum. Option D. Corpora quadrigemina. The correct answer is Option C. Corpus callosum. The corpus callosum, CC, is the largest of the commissural fibers, linking the cerebral cortex of the left and right cerebral hemisphere. Question number 11. Vermis is a portion of Option A. Cerebellum. Option B. Cerebrum. Option C. Pons. Option D. Medulla oblongata. The correct answer is Option A. Cerebellum. Cerebral vermis is located in the medial, corticonuclear zone of the cerebellum. It is constricted between lobe of cerebellum. Question number 12. Junction between two neurons is called Option A. Cell junction. Option B. Neuromuscular junction. Option C. Neural joint. Option D. Synapse. The correct answer is Option D. Synapse. Synapse, also called neuronal junction, the site of transmission of electric nerve impulses between two nerve cells, neurons, or between a neuron and a gland or muscle cell, effector. Question number 13. Resting membrane potential is maintained by Option A. Harmonies. Option B. Neurotransmitters. Option C. Lone pumps. Option D. None of them. The correct answer is Option C. Lone pumps. Resting membrane potential is a result of different concentrations of Na plus and K plus ions inside and outside the cell. In neurons, potassium ions are maintained at high concentrations within the cell while sodium ions are maintained at high concentrations outside of the cell. Question number 14. An area in the brain which is associated with strong emotions is: Option A, cerebral cortex. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, limbic system. Option D, medulla. The correct answer is Option C, limbic system. Emotions, like fear and love, are carried out by the limbic system, which is located in the temporal lobe. While the limbic system is made up of multiple parts of the brain, the center of emotional processing is the amygdala, which receives input from other brain functions, like memory and attention. Question number 15. Wax gland present in the ear canal is called: Option A, sweat gland. Option B, prostate gland. Option C, Cooper's gland. Option D, sebaceous gland or ceruminous gland. The correct answer is Option D, sebaceous gland or ceruminous gland. Earwax, also known by the medical term cerumen, is a gray, orange, red or yellowish waxy substance secreted in the ear canal of humans and other mammals. Earwax consists of shed skin cells, hair, and the secretions of the ceruminous and sebaceous glands of the outside ear canal. Question number 16. The part of internal ear is responsible for hearing is: Option A, cochlea. Option B, semicircular canal. Option C, utriculus. Option D, sacculus. The correct answer is Option A, cochlea. The inner ear, also called the labyrinth, contains two main structures: the cochlea, which is involved in hearing, and the vestibular system, consisting of the three semicircular canals, saccule and utricle, which is responsible for maintaining balance. Question number 17. The organ of corti is a structure present in: Option A, external ear. Option B, middle ear. Option C, semicircular canal. Option D, cochlea. The correct answer is Option D, cochlea. Cochlea, the organ of corti or spiral organ, is the receptor organ for hearing and is located in the mammalian cochlea. Question number 18. Human eyeball consists of 3 layers and it encloses: Option A, lens, iris, optic nerve. Option B, lens, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Option C, cornea, lens, iris. Option D, cornea, lens, optic nerve. The correct answer is Option B, lens, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Human eyeball consists of 3, i.e., layers: sclera, choroid and retina, and these layer enclose lens, aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Question number 19. The vitamin present in rhodopsin: Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. The correct answer is Option A, vitamin A. The rods contain a purplish-red protein called the rhodopsin. It is a photosensitive compound in eye that is composed of opsin, a protein, and retinal, an aldehyde of vitamin A, whereas vitamin B, C and D not directly related with vision. Question number 20. By origin brain is: Option A, endodermal. Option B, peridermal. Option C, mesodermal. Option D, ectodermal. The correct answer is option D, ectodermal. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.